In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a credit note in Xero. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to Sales up top, click on it, and click on Invoices. In here, you then want to go, and up top it says New Credit Note. You want to click on that, and when you do so, in here you can create a credit note. So as you can see, you can put in the contact. I'm going to do something random over here. I have some random data in here. As you can see, it's for demo purposes only. You can put the issue date, the credit note number, reference, branding theme, etc. There's a bunch of different things, and then you can put the items as well. So I'm going to do something random over here, and let's say this is now our credit note. So what you can then do is, of course, add notes here if you want to, add more rows, columns, etc. You could even go and attach files if that's something you want to do, and then click on either Save up top or Approve up top, and then you're good to go. You've successfully created a credit note inside Xero. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.